Welcome to my channel. Learn skill, earn money. In my channel you learn how to make money online. Step by step. Best online earning method are. Number 1 is freelancing. One of the most accessible ways to start is by offering your skills online. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients looking for various services. Number 2 is e-commerce. Consider starting an online store. Platforms like Shopify and Etsy make it easy to sell products, from handmade crafts to dropshipped items. Number 3 is investments. Stock market and investments. If you're financially savvy, you can invest in stocks, real estate, or cryptocurrencies. Remember, this involves risks and research. Number 4 is content creation. Many creators make money on platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram. But building an audience takes time and consistency. Number 5 is online courses. Online courses and tutoring. Share your expertise by creating online courses or offering tutoring services. Websites like Udemy and Chegg can help. Number 6 is social media management. Offer your services to businesses looking to enhance their online presence. Managing social media accounts can be profitable.